If you are looking for the best RV keyless entry door lock, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Leisure Locks RV Travel Trailer Entry Door Lock. When it comes to security, the quality of the door locks should always be anyone's top consideration when purchasing RV door locks. If you want to get a long-lasting door lock for your trailer or RV, one of the best products in the market today is the RV Travel Trailer Entry Door Lock Polar White Paddle Deadbolt. One of the things that I like about this particular door lock is the deadbolt. It is very reliable in keeping the door properly locked. Number 2. RVLock Keyless Entry Keypad. Having a door that locks and unlocks without using a key is certainly an awesome feature of any RV. If you are searching for a reliable door lock for your RV, camper, or trailer, the best product that you should include in your shopping list is the RVLock Key Fob and RH Compact Keyless Entry Keypad. It is very compact compared to other keyless RV door locks in the market these days. The color scheme is perfect because I had my camper painted black. Number 3. RVLock V4 Keyless Entry Handle. If you want to fully automate your RV door, the best product to use is RVLock V4 Keyless Entry Handle with integrated keypad and amp, fob. I am so amazed about this keyless door lock. The design is sleek, very masculine, if I may say so. First of all, it is very easy to install. I didn't even need any special tools just to mount it on my RV door. Next, once the lock was put in place, the door doesn't jam. It can hold itself firmly without any kind of support. Number 4. RV Designer T507 RV Motorhome Entry Lock. Searching for a reliable high-security RV door locks can be a little intimidating. If you want to get the best one that will ensure the safety of your loved ones and your valuable possessions, the RV Designer Collection T507 is the one for you. For those people who are looking for serious security, just like me, this is the product that should be installed in your RV. The design may be a little simple, but it is tough on the inside. The color scheme is perfect. Number 5. AP Products Electric Travel Trailer Lock. Every RV, trailer, or camper needs to have serious security. This way, the safety of your valuable items, possessions, and your family and loved ones are guaranteed at all times. If you are searching for the best piece of door lock that would give you the highest level of security, this product from Bauer called AP Products is the one for you. This door lock made by Bauer is one of the best door locks for RVs I have seen. It is very easy to install. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.